For years, the iPad has set the standard across the entire industry. This year, Apple have pushed the boundaries even further, delivering the most powerful iPad ever in their thinnest design to date. This machine is truly ridiculous. This is the brand new M4 iPad Pro. Let's start things off with the unboxing. Apple have outdone themselves with a new, thinner box to match the sleekness of the M4 iPad Pro. The unboxing experience is very minimal, but in true Apple fashion, it exudes elegance and simplicity. As soon as you take the iPad out of the box, the first thing you notice is its incredibly lightweight and thin profile. It's something you really need to hold in your hands to fully appreciate. The design and build quality are immediately evident, setting the stage for what promises to be an impressive device. Inside the box itself, Apple are keeping things simple. Along with the M4 iPad Pro, you'll find just a USB-C cable. That's it, no charger or extra accessories here in the UK, sticking with that minimalist approach. The unboxing experience is extremely straightforward and focuses on the device itself. So, let's talk about the design of this year's iPad. Apple's last iPad was already an extremely thin device, but this year Apple have gone even further, creating their thinnest device ever. It's incredibly light, making it completely unnoticeable when you carry it in a bag. The engineering behind this design is nothing short of amazing, truly showcasing Apple's expertise in creating sleek, functional technology. Because of how thin and light it is, I've actually been hesitant to buy the smart keyboard for this iPad. I worry that adding an extra weight or bulk might detract from its remarkable slimness and portability. The craftsmanship here is unparalleled, setting a new standard yet again for tablet design and reaffirming Apple's position at the very top of the market. Now, let's talk about the display. The M4 iPad Pro comes in two sizes, 11-inch and 13-inch. I opted for the 11-inch model. I feel like the lighter design that comes with the 11-inch version enhances the overall thin and light experience. The 13-inch model, on the other hand, seems perfect for those who plan to use this iPad as their primary device. For my needs, I have my studio display and Mac for when I require more screen real estate. Apple also offers the iPad with their new nano texture display technology. These matte screens are only available on the 1TB and 2TB models, meaning you'll need to invest quite a bit to have this option. There are specific types of users who will benefit from these screens with very specific use cases, but for most of us, the standard glass is more than sufficient. I think even Apple acknowledges this, which is why the nano texture options is limited to the higher storage models. As for the actual display quality, it's nothing short of amazing. The new Ultra Retina XDR display introduces groundbreaking tandem OLED technology. It features extreme brightness, incredibly precise contrast, and advanced technologies like ProMotion and True Tone, offering a jaw-dropping visual experience. Like with the design, this display is something you need to see in person to truly appreciate, but I doubt there will be any complaints about its quality. Whether you choose the 11-inch or 13-inch, standard glass or nano texture, you'll be impressed. When it comes to performance, it's clear that the M4 iPad Pro stands in a league of its own. The engineering marvel of integrating Apple's cutting-edge M4 chip into such a thin and lightweight design is truly impressive. The sheer power of this device is unmatched in the tablet market. However, despite its incredible hardware, iPadOS remains a limiting factor. The operating system currently restricts the full potential of the M4 chip, preventing the iPad from fully replacing a Mac for professional users. This raises a pertinent question. Why choose the iPad Pro over a Mac when they are very similarly priced? For many tasks, a Mac simplifies workflows in ways the iPad under the current iPadOS just cannot. This video was fully edited on the iPad, which does speak volumes about what iPads can do nowadays. However, after editing this video, I would still personally choose to edit on my Mac. We'll have to wait for the full review to see if my perspective evolves, but as it stands now, while the iPad Pro is extraordinarily powerful, it doesn't yet surpass the functionality of a MacBook for professional users. Unless the need for a touchscreen is paramount, the Mac remains the more practical choice for many professionals. That said, the iPad Pro serves as an excellent companion to the Mac. Its versatility and performance make it a valuable addition to any tech arsenal. For the average user, the story is different. With accessories like the Apple Pencil Pro and Smart Keyboard, the iPad Pro is more than capable of being a primary computing device. It offers a blend of power and portability that is ideal for everyday tasks and some creative endeavours. My plan is to try and use this device as much as possible for work and see how it holds up long term. Having just seen what Apple have announced at WWDC, the new version of iPadOS coupled with Apple Intelligence may help to close the gap between iPad and Mac when it is released later this year, but only time will tell. I'll go into lots more detail in my upcoming review, so if you're interested in hearing lots more about this device's capabilities, then get subscribed and stay tuned. In conclusion, the M4 iPad Pro represents a significant leap forward in Apple's tablet technology, combining cutting-edge performance with an impressively thin and lightweight design. The M4 chip's integration into such a sleek form factor is a testament to Apple's engineering prowess, setting a new benchmark in the industry. The display, whether in the 11-inch or 13-inch variant, offers a visual experience that is second to none. With features like the Ultra Retina XDR display and advanced technologies such as ProMotion and True Tone, it ensures that every interaction is stunningly vibrant and incredibly responsive. While the power of the M4 chip is undeniable, the current limitations of iPadOS mean that for professional users, a Mac might still be the more practical choice for certain workflows. However, the iPad Pro excels as a companion device, providing versatility and performance that complement a Mac setup perfectly. For average users, the combination of iPad Pro with accessories like the brand new Apple Pencil Pro and Smart Keyboard can easily make it a primary computing device. Stay tuned for my upcoming full review, where I'll delve even deeper into the capabilities of this remarkable iPad. If you're considering an upgrade or looking to experience the pinnacle of tablet technology, the M4 iPad Pro is certainly worth your attention. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you are still watching up to now, then hit the thumbs up button and think about subscribing to the channel. For those of you who have noticed my wallpapers throughout this video and want the same look for your devices, then check out my brand new Waves wallpaper pack. If you feel like being awesome and want to support the channel, link to that will be in the description below. For now though, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.